y'all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kayla. If you're new, if you're not new, welcome back. Y'all, in today's video, we're doing something a little different, okay? We have to do some rearranging. What's that? Rearranging, reorganizing, that type of thing, because I have a little office area I'm sure you guys have seen before. My son has completely taken over it, but it is where I keep my books and that type of thing. So I wanted to make like a reading nook area, but I also needed to serve as like a guest space as well. And what brought this about is because my mom recently broke her ankle and she has to stay with me for her surgery, like after her surgery, a couple months after her surgery, and I wanted her to be comfortable while also not having to give up my room or my son's room to make sure that she is that. So we are doing some rearranging around here. I'm going to show you guys the space. It's not decorated or anything like that. It's nothing crazy, but we are going to go ahead and do something different in the space, and I'm going to have to find somewhere to put my son's desk with his gaming computer and stuff because he doesn't want it crowding up his room. Go figure. So we're literally running out of space in this apartment, y'all. That's why I'm so hell-bent on moving next year. But for now, we got to do what we got to do. We got to utilize the space that we have. So that's what we're going to do today. If you guys like reorganizing, redecorating videos, things of that nature, or makeup, books, or if you just want a good girlfriend to chit chat with throughout the week, like, you belong here, okay? So make sure you subscribe. Let's hop into the video. I had to run out and do a couple things, pick up a couple things before I started this project. I picked up the daybed, which I got from Ikea. It came in 4 huge boxes, heavy as hell to get up the steps. Keen is at school, so I was struggling, but it's okay. I also went to Burlington and Marshall, so I wanted to do a quick haul before I started the montage of me putting the bed together because I don't want to forget. So let me show you guys. I got stuff that was for this project and some stuff that wasn't for this project. So the first thing I got was this Rachel Zoe necklace, and it's one of those Van Cleef dupes, but this one has the, like, this part is, you know, it doesn't have like a color or whatever. It's just, you know, see-through or whatever. This was $16.99. I just thought it was really cute and dainty, and it's gold. I just loved it. So $16.99. I just wanted it. I'm trying to get my jewelry collection up because it's a mess. Then I saw this. This I got for my mom for, this is going to be one of her Christmas gifts though. Whenever I see little stuff like this when I'm out at Marshall's or whatever and it's not too expensive, I just pick it up because I know Christmas is coming and I know she likes these philosophy sets, and I don't think she's ever done the vanilla birthday cake one. So I just picked this one up. This was $19.99, and it comes with the, if y'all hear Stormy, that's Stormy acting a fool, but it comes with the shower gel and the body lotion. Got a ton of like workout stuff that you guys are going to see in another video. I'm going to do a video specifically for workout. So yeah, but let me show you guys these because this is not workout. These are just some slimming shorts that I got from Marshall's. It came with 3. It's by Gap Body. I got an extra large. I don't know if I should have gotten a large, but I also don't want it to like squeeze me. I just wanted to kind of make me seamless, I guess, so when I wear my dresses and stuff. So I got them in an extra large. They're the shaping mid-thigh short. 3 of them came with this for $20. I thought that was such a good price for that. So it has this lighter color, this browner neutral color, and then this black color. And I love them. Like, well, I haven't tried them, but y'all get the idea. I got this cute little mirror, if you guys can see. This cute little mirror right here. I just thought it was so cute. I like the gold. And yeah, it has the, you know, sit it right there. I don't think, yeah, it actually had, well, I guess you could hang this as well with this hook right here. But I just like the gold. I thought the gold was really cute, and it was only $7.99. And this is by Nicole Miller, so I got that. I don't know if this is gonna go in that area over there, but it might, I don't know. I also got this little pillow from, oh, did I say Marshall's? That stuff was from TJ Maxx, and this is also from TJ Maxx, this bag. Move. And I just got this for the living room because I don't have like a longer pillow to sit on my longer couch, and I just thought this was very cute. It's just a cream and this like natural color right here. I just thought it was really cute. It also had like throw pillows too, which If I like this enough, I might go back and get those too. But this pillow was $24.99, and I believe the throw pillows of these were $20 a piece. So got this display right here. I just thought this was so cute. Can y'all tell I'm ready for fall? Like, I'm putting all this stuff up now because I'm ready for fall. And I just thought this was the prettiest little arrangement. It's like the colors that I want my apartment to be. So yeah, like for fall. So I just thought it was so cute. Of course, it's faux flowers or whatever, but still very cute. Looks pretty good. I love the bowl that it's in. Super cute. And this was only $20. And it's heavy. Like, this is heavy. This is a good quality faux decoration plant situation, and I love it. Okay, y'all, then I got this bag from Burlington. So I got these because I'm not sure, like, my apartment is like neutral green, black, cream type of situation, but I love these darker these throw pillows as well. It's a set of 2, and it's just a very soft, like, teddy bear feel. But this does feel like a teddy bear, like a soft teddy bear that you would throw on your bed, and I love these. I just don't really know if I'm gonna put these in my room for the fall, if I'm gonna leave them out here in the living room. I'm not sure. But this is by the brand, this is the M Collection by Michael Strahan. And yeah, they're 20 by 20, 2 of them come in it, and this was only $20. Then I just got these black sheets for the daybed for my mom. This is by Juicy Couture. They're just black. I just got them because they were black and they were the cheapest ones that I could see there. They were $20. The set comes with 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 4 king pillowcases. And I'm gonna keep the receipt because when I looked up this daybed, they said that it, like, when you fold it out and you lay the cushions a certain way, that it does convert to a king bed. I have not yet tested that yet, so I don't know if I'll actually need these. But we're gonna keep them. We'll try it out once we try to make the bed. If they're too small, just go exchange them for something else. I mean, if they're too big. If they're too big, I'll go exchange them for something else. And the last thing that I got from Burlington was this cute cup. I just love this. It says, "With God, all things are possible," Matthew 16:26. If you guys don't know, I am a coffee and a tea drinker, and this was just too cute. I don't have any, like, really cute coffee mugs, so I was just like, I want to be that girl. So yeah, I got it. I don't know. It's cute. It's by the brand Nanette Lepore, and it was only $4.99. So cute. And it's the saying for me. The saying rings true, okay?
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end, coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Don't run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, the whole bitch with shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, ho. Tag glow, two-tone Cartier matching nails, ho. Tag glow, no competition.
Do y'all see all the foolishness I created behind me? Don't mind it. I forgot to show y'all these though. I got these from TJ Maxx too. I had put them somewhere else. So I got these 2 hand soaps from Sand and Fog. This one is Eucalyptus Mint. These are glass bottles. They're so pretty. And then this one is Teakwood. So I got one for Keen's room, one for my bathroom. Well, one for Keen's bathroom, one for my bathroom. These are so pretty. They're 15.7 fluid ounces and they smell amazing. Oh, I just love that mint one. This does not match my bathroom at all, but I'm probably just gonna put that in my bathroom. This one is more manly, and then look at the print on this one. It has like these, well, I guess the flowers don't really make it manly. What is this, flowers or dragonflies? They actually look like dragonflies. So I guess it doesn't really make it manly, but the smell on it is very manly. It reminds me of mahogany teakwood. It's literally mahogany teakwood from Bath and Body Works. So I got those two. Also got this sand and fog candle. This is the sun washed citrus candle. I just like the color of the candle, honestly, and it does smell good. I really do like citrus, but this is more, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really get citrus from this, so I don't know. Does this have the notes in here? I don't know what the notes are. I don't know, it's not really giving citrus to me. Burn it, look at the top. Top is pretty. I'll burn it, but like this is not my favorite candle. I just like the way it looks. And I got this. This is the Olivia Blake London. This is the Eau de Toilette from them, and this is in Poppy Noir. Poppy Noir. This smells so good. Oh my goodness, I just love it. It just smells really good. They have other scents as well, but I didn't like the other ones that were up there. This just smells very pretty. What are the notes in here? Does it say? I don't see the notes up here, but this is very fresh. It's like very fresh floral. Like if you like a florally fresh type of scent, you'll love this. It's like powdery, you know what I mean? Anyways, it was $12.99, so it smells really good. So what I've accomplished so far is you guys saw me clean this area over here. I washed the walls, I mopped the floor. I had to figure out what I'm gonna do with Keen's desk, this desk right here, because he keeps his gaming computer on that desk and he doesn't want it in his room because it's big. His room isn't like huge, and so he still wants to have space in his room. So I decided, I went over there, if you guys can see where I'm pointing. I washed the walls over there. I mopped that little area of the floor back there. That's technically my dining room, and my dining room table is still gonna sit in there, but I figured I can work it out some kind of way to where both can be in there. It's not ideal at all, but this situation that we're in, like this apartment, is not forever. This is a temporary space, so I feel like everybody wins. Like my mom needs a place to have a bed, Keen needs a place to put a desk. We hardly ever use the dining room, but we have the table there because we do use it for like Thanksgiving and Christmas and stuff. But yeah, I feel like it'll work out, so that's what we're doing. See the drawers, they're in. We're about to try to attempt to put this rug down again because the bed wasn't sliding like it was supposed to with the rug down. So we're gonna try to just put it at the very edge of the bed, and hopefully that'll help. And then I'm going to just add like the mattresses, the pillows and stuff like that, and then we're gonna be done. And yeah, so I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute. Just enjoy this little montage of me throwing everything else together, and we'll be back.
You know you the truth. Get 'em close, stop overthinking. These hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em close, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail. Cool on gang close. Stomp a little pussy, hoe bitch with jail toes. Gang close, slapping round bitches and making bail, hoe. Gang close, two-tone Cartier match with nails, hoe. Gang close, no competition, these bitches stale, hoe. Gang close, curving, no curving, my shit is layers, hoe. Gang close, say they get money, but I can't tell, hoe. Keep running circles around these snail hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail hoe.
Okay, y'all, so this is what we came up with. It's not perfect, but for the amount of time that I had to get things together, I think it turned out okay. I told you guys the bed is from Ikea and it can pull out to a full king. I should have showed you guys that. The pictures I already had, and yes, they are a little crooked, but I don't really know how to hang stuff on the wall, y'all, just to be honest. So I'm gonna have to get my aunt to come over here and help me actually nail them on the wall. Right now they're on by thumbtacks, so yeah, ghetto, I know, but it is what it is. The other throw pillows came from Amazon. And I do need bigger pillow inserts. These are, I think, 20-inch linen throw pillows. There's a black one there, that brown, and then the same two on the other side. The green I had already had, I just took it from another room. But I think I need bigger pillow inserts, but I ain't gonna worry about that right now because my son, just like my mom, is gonna say it's too many pillows on here. They're just gonna take them off anyway, so I don't really care about that. And then those two pumpkins, they just came from the Dollar Tree. You can see I still have the little tags and stuff on them. I just threw them up there just for some color. The bed, sorry y'all. The bed, the comforter and stuff, I told you guys I already had that. This came from TJ Maxx, and I think it's so pretty. And then the table came from Amazon, the easiest thing to put together. It was just screwing the little 3 legs in, and so simple. And yeah, I think for, oh, and the lamp. The lamp also came from Amazon. So I think for just being able to, like, with the amount of time that I had, I feel like it looks nice, and my mom will be comfortable here as she recovers from surgery for her ankle. But yeah, I mean, it could use a little work, but when she leaves, I'll put more effort into it, like when I make this my reading area. But for right now, it's fine. Oh, let me show you guys the drawers, because so this is how deep the drawers are. That's perfect for guests if they want to put their clothes down there. I'll probably just put some extra like sheets, pillowcases, that type of thing, but perfect. They're all the same size. They slide very easily. I love the bed. I think that this was the best use of this space, and I'm happy for that. When I do my reading nook, I'll probably get like my own bookshelf here. You guys know I have those bookshelves over there, but that's like Keen's space, so all his books are over there. So I'm probably just gonna get another one for this area right here and just put my books up there. But yeah, for the most part, I think it came together very cute. Y'all let me know what y'all think. What should I change? Should I add something? Let me know. I want your input. But yeah. Okay, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I'm gonna go. I know y'all are tired of me looking a mess throughout this whole video, but this is literally how I look when I start trying to redecorate and stuff. I'm like, I'm not getting cute to redecorate, so it is what it is. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Make sure to share the video. Let me know if you guys like this type of like redecorating, reorganizing type of videos, because I still need to do my living room. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys in that last clip too, I put the rug in my living room for the time being, because the rug was just making it too hard to pull the bed out to its full capacity. So I was just like, let's 86 the rug, because nobody has time for that. So I put it in my living room for now. It's legit too small to be in there, but for now it works. It's fine. But yeah, I am gonna redo my living room, or just kind of add a couple things to it, as well as Keen's little office area. So if you guys are interested in that, definitely leave that stuff. Leave your comments down below. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know that you guys want to see that. And yeah, I'm about to get out of here, y'all. I gotta go pick my mom up from the hospital. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.